Listen up because I'm about to save you literally years of wasted time clicking through garbage tier lists written by people who've never compromised a single system in their lives. Most hacking tools are absolutely useless for what you're actually trying to do. The hacking tool ecosystem is deliberately confusing because everyone wants to sell you their course, but nobody wants to tell you that you only need like 5 tools maximum to start getting paid in this field. I see this constantly in CyberFlow Academy, where students come in drowning in information overload, having installed every single tool in the Kali repository, and they can't even run a basic Nmap scan without Googling the syntax. That's not hacking, that's digital hoarding, and we're fixing that right now. God tier starts with Burp Suite, and if you're not using Burp Suite for web application testing, you might as well be trying to build a house with a plastic spoon. This tool is literally synonymous with web hacking, and it does everything you need for finding vulnerabilities in web applications. The free community edition is actually really good, and the pro version at around $400 a year is literally the best investment you'll ever make. I've seen people in CyberFlow Academy find their first critical vulnerability within a week of learning Burp Suite properly, and suddenly they're getting paid more for a single bug report than most people make in a month at their day job. Right next to Burp Suite, we have Nmap, and this tool is so legendary it literally appeared in the Matrix movies. This is your reconnaissance tool, your network mapping tool, your service detection tool, and if you can't use Nmap, you have no business calling yourself a hacker. What makes Nmap God tier is it does everything from basic ping sweeps to advanced firewall evasion techniques, all with the same tool, and it's completely free. Metasploit framework also lives in God tier because this is essentially a giant library of exploits that lets you actually compromise systems after you've found vulnerabilities. The framework is so comprehensive that it includes everything from payload generation to privilege escalation, and the community version is completely free. If you can demonstrate competence with Metasploit on a resume, you immediately separate yourself from 90% of people claiming they know penetration testing. S tier as Wireshark, which is the undisputed king of packet analysis. And if you need to see what's actually happening on a network at the packet level, there is literally no better tool, period. Also in S tier, we've got Hashcat, which is hands down the most powerful password cracking tool available, with GPU acceleration that's literally 100 times faster than CPU-only tools. These tools are completely free, actively maintained, and what professional pen testers actually use in the field. A tier includes SQL Map for automating SQL injection attacks, and OWASP Zap as the free alternative to Burp Suite that's actually better for beginners because it's more intuitive. John the Ripper also sits here as an excellent password cracking tool that's easier to start with than Hashcat. B tier and below are tools that are either too specialized, like AirCrackNG for wireless testing, or have been superseded by better alternatives. Vulnerability scanners like Nessus land in C tier because running an automated scanner doesn't teach you anything about how vulnerabilities actually work. Here's what nobody tells you about hacking tools. The tool doesn't matter nearly as much as understanding what the tool is doing and why. In CyberFlow Academy, we don't just teach students to run tools, we teach them to understand the underlying vulnerabilities and the business impact, because that's what actually makes you valuable and gets you paid. Anyone can download Kali Linux and run automated scans, but the people making 6 figures are the ones who can explain to a CEO why a vulnerability could cost them millions of dollars, and oh, by the way, here's exactly how we fix it. This is where CyberFlow Academy absolutely destroys every other training program, because we don't just teach you the tools, we teach you how to monetize your skills from day one. We have courses on finding your first bug bounty, on landing penetration testing contracts, and on pricing your services so you're not leaving money on the table. Our private Discord lets you ask me anything directly, and we've had students go from zero knowledge to getting paid for vulnerability disclosures in under 90 days. We've had students close 5-figure consulting deals, students who've earned more from a single bug bounty than they made in 6 months at their previous job. Use code CYBER50 for 50% off, because once you see the quality of our training and the direct line between what we teach and actual money-making opportunities, you're going to stay for the long term. Master Burp Suite, Nmap, and Metasploit, and you're already ahead of 90% of people claiming to be penetration testers. Add in Wireshark and Hashcat, and you've got a toolkit that can handle basically any engagement. Everything else is just noise that distracts from mastering the fundamentals. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.